Best cryptocurrency exchanges in South Africa. Let's talk about it. We're talking about FSCA compliant platforms that have access to ZAR deposit methods and withdrawals, low fee global exchanges also. And I'm going to be giving you some alternative no-KYC platforms. So South Africa definitely is leading Africa in terms of crypto adoption. South Africa and Nigeria with millions of retail users, an emerging market that is also exploring derivatives now. They have a good oversight with the FSCA, strong mobile banking penetration. South Africa, definitely one of the fastest growing crypto trading regions in the world. And today we are really breaking it all down. So let's talk about South Africa's regulations. First of all, if you want to get started with the best platforms in South Africa, make sure you check out the links down below. Okay, VALR is definitely top of the list in my opinion, but cryptocurrency regulation, on that front, you've got the financial services provider licensing that's needed, mandatory KYC, AML, advertising rules and disclosure standards, also third-party custody oversight and ongoing compliance reporting. So very regulated, but in a way that is not stifling the industry. So some of the bank-friendly currency exchanges here, you've got VALR, okay, like the one that I've just said is one of the best in South Africa. You've got Luno, one that I think is very, very good too. Binance with limited ZAR rails. You've got some other platforms as well, and banks likely obviously to scrutinize high risk platforms, but there's many offshore spot exchanges, no KYC derivatives platforms that you can use also locally. Once you've on-ramped maybe with the local ZAR enabled platform, you can transfer funds to other platforms and you can trade over there, right? So if you want to get started, make sure you check out the links down below, and you will be able to get done easily. Bank transfers, EFT, sorry. You can use that with VALR, for example. Card purchases also. You can use Bybit, Coinbase, OKX, KuCoin, stablecoins, USDT, USDC, P2P on platforms like Binance, right? So VALR, definitely the best overall cryptocurrency exchange in South Africa with deep order books, instant EFT deposits, an excellent mobile app, also good desktop app, competitive maker-taker fee structure, staking rewards, trusted by banks as well, institutional grade OTC desk. I really love VALR. I used to sleep on it until I actually started exploring it a lot more, and I think VALR is definitely the top choice. Luno, one that I've also had a lot of experience with and never had an issue with Luno. Clean, beginner-friendly app, instant ZAR, EFT as well, auto buy, recurring purchases, strong brand trust, a strong presence in South Africa. So Luno, definitely highly recommended. Also check out the link to Luno. There's OVIX if you want to do OTC. There are some other platforms like Chainix, etc. And you can use Bybit if you want a global exchange. That also has some access to the South African market. OKX, best for bots and copy trading if you want earned products, 400 plus assets on OKX, etc. KuCoin, also best for low coin altcoin hunting, over 700 plus tokens, deep altcoin liquidity. You can also use crypto.com, right? Best all-in-one platform for card spending, on-chain wallets and products, all of that good stuff. No KYC exchanges that most serious traders want to use in South Africa. If you want to go from ZAR to USDT via VALR or Luno, right? And then send that offshore to an offshore no KYC exchange that you can use, something like K6, where you can have 200x on perps, no KYC, ultra fast speed, very good platform. Unix, also very good UI, strong futures, MEXC, thousands of altcoins, low fees, early listings, BTCC, Femix, Blowfin, so many alternatives out there, guys. Tabbit. I've actually done the reviews on all of these platforms, VALR, Luno included. Go check them out on our main site. Go to our ecosystems tab. Get started with the links in the description so you can get discounts and bonuses, etc. And yeah, you know, just enjoy the friendly landscape that we have in South Africa. And also in the article that we've done this full review based on I've put some recommended wallets that you can use, and I like non-custodial wallets, so I use these platforms to do my regular kind of transactions, and then I don't keep assets on them. I'll move them to non-custodial wallets like Ledger, Cool Wallet Pro, Zengo, Exodus. All of these you can find on our ecosystems tab, the best wallets too. If you want a trading tool suite, you can go to check out some of the tools: TradingView, 3Commerce, CoinEG for tax reporting, Debridge for cross-chain bridging, and all of these you can use our links so you can get some good perks as well. Other than that, this is what South Africa has to offer when it comes to the cryptocurrency landscape, and I hope it continues to grow and we continue to play our part to making sure that the movement of crypto penetrates even further in this region. Like, share, subscribe, turn on the notifications. I'll see you guys next time.